At Lakeview, we are learning that the work of blessing our community, like much of God's work, is slow work. Our Matthew 25 clothing ministry has a legacy of nearly 20 years of blessing our neighbors and has become about so much more than clothes. It's all about relationships and connection. And through this slow work, those connections turn into partnerships, and those partnerships in turn become additional bridges into the community, which in turn open the doors for more opportunities to be a blessing and build relationships and connections. And what has emerged are connections with the Salvation Army, which has grown into a rotating group of over 25 Lakeview volunteers serving and having dinner with their neighbors each Sunday night. And connections with Lakeview pastors and volunteers embedded in Endeavor Elementary which is a junior high after school program that we host, and Breaking Chains Academy, which these three things are providing us opportunities to build relationships with neighbors and families so we can see where the kingdom of God is breaking in and join in with what God is doing to bless